Hello and welcome to 226 Molimo Drive. We're going to be touring a lovely single-family home with all the wonderful amenities. Okay, so right as you enter, there is a nice foyer here. This door is a nice, big, deep closet, conveniently located right next to the entrance to the parking garage where there is laundry and entrance to a nice big backyard. Okay, so here we are back into the foyer. I'm going to walk you upstairs to this completely renovated, beautiful home. Okay, so you walk in. Over here to the left is one bedroom, and we're going to start the tour off towards the back bedroom. This one faces the rear yard. They're both pretty equal in size, and the nice thing is both bedrooms are separated and not right next to each other. This one has a view of the yard. Each of the bedrooms have generous sized closets, sliding doors, and this goes all the way back. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. Here is the full bathroom, again, completely renovated. You have gas heat, heater vents in just about all the rooms. Nice big shower head. Beautifully remodeled. There is a spot for keys. There's a coat closet here with additional shelving. Second bedroom. This one faces the street, but as you can see, it is very, very quiet. Not a lot of street traffic at all. There's your heater vent in this bedroom. And here is a nice big walk-in closet. Okay, so back into the kitchen, living room, dining room combination. This is a decorative fireplace. Living room, and again you have heater vents in here. Recessed lighting. And it is somewhat open to the kitchen and dining area. Here's the dining area, and take a look at this amazing kitchen. Stainless appliances. You have a dishwasher, gas range, stainless refrigerator, quartz counters, beautiful cabinets. Okay, if you're interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.